Hey, if you are in class 10th or in class 11 and planning to prepare to get into India's best reputed management college, that is IIM or IIFT, this video is definitely very important for you. Today I am going to take you through the overview of IPM program at all the 6 colleges, the placement figures, the exams that you need to appear for, and various other features which I am definitely sure you would be interested to know about. Let's get started with the IIM Indore IPM program, which started in the year 2011, and it was the first college which started an IPM program in India. The the degree that they offer, the program that they offer is Integrated Program in Management, that is IPM. The degree that they offer is BA Foundation in Management plus an MBA degree. It is a 5-year program and there are total of 150 odd seats. If we talk about the fees, for the first 3 years, it is approximately 6 lakhs each year, and for the last 2 years, that is the year when you would be doing your MBA, it would be same as it would be for the PGP, the MBA fees in those 2 years. Okay, so this is about the fees and the degree at IIM Indore that you would be getting. If we talk about the exit option, yes, IIM Indore offers you an exit option after 3 years. If you take an exit after 3 years, you will get a degree which is named as BA Foundation in Management. You also have a sabbatical option wherein you can opt for sabbatical up to 2 years. Now, this sabbatical, there's an asterisk mark, not everyone gets it. It depends upon the criteria that IIM Indore has. A lot of students apply for sabbatical, but not everyone gets it. So sometimes, there are 5-6 students out of a batch of 150. There have been cases where 10 to 11 students have also got the sabbatical. Now, in the sabbatical, you can prepare for various exams if you want to. However, the main criteria for sabbatical is that you should have a good job in hand with a reputed MNCs in India. You cannot take a sabbatical without any job offer in hand. As we discussed, you have an exit option. Yes, after 3 years, you do have an exit option. If we talk about the USP, why IIM Indore, the IIM brand, obviously we know how important that IIM brand is on, it will add a value on your CV. The most important thing, you will not have you appear for CAT entrance exams after your graduation for your MBA. So after class 12, you directly come out with an MBA degree in hand after 5 years. And I don't have to talk about the faculty, the mentors, the faculty, the professors who will be teaching at IIM Indore will definitely be of a cream de la cream level. And the placements, we will look further about the placements. If we talk about the NIRF ranking, it is 8th in India. Internship, you get an opportunity to do a social internship after 2 years and a business internship along with the PGP students. 49% of the batch is, with the female candidates, which means the ratio is more or less same. The average salary is nothing but as whooping 30.21 lakhs per annum. That's why the IIM brands matters a lot. Entrance test that you need to appear for is IPMAT Indore if you want to get into an IPM program of IIM Indore. The eligibility criteria are very crucial, very important. You need to be less than 20 years of age. If you are an SC, ST or a PWD candidate, then less than 25 years as on July 2024 is mandatory. This is for the student who would be taking admission in the year 2024, which means this year. If you are aiming to take an admission in the year 2025, then this would change as on 31st July 2025, and similarly year after year it keeps on changing. So basically, in short, you should be less than 20 years of age in the year when you are planning to take an admission in IIM Indore. If we talk about the selection process, you need to appear for IPMAT Indore test, followed by, if you clear the sectional cutoff, then it is followed by the next round, which is the personality round, where you have to appear for WAD, which is written ability test, and have to face the personal interview. If we talk about the specialization, majors or electives, you can opt for in the graduation year, obviously you can opt for accounting, finance, economics, information systems, marketing, organizational behavior, human resource, OT, OM, strategy management, communication. And in the final 2 years, you can opt for finance, marketing, operations as a major specialization. Not only that, you also have an option to select a foreign language in the first 3 years. So you can learn one of the foreign language if you wish to. Now let's move on to IIM Rohtak IPM program. The course started in 2019. Again, it offers IPM program which is known as Integrated Program in Management. The degree here offered is not BA, it is BBA plus MBA. Tenure is 5 years. There are total of 165 seats, which means 15 seats more than IIM Indore. If we talk about the fees, it's again approximately 3 lakhs for 3 lakhs per annum for the first 3 years, and for the last 2 years it will be same as what it would be for the PGP student, which means at that year, in that year, whatever be the fees for the students who have joined directly for an MBA, so that will be the fees for you as well. Moving ahead, you need to write a separate exam, different exam named as IPMET Rohtak, conducted by IIM Rohtak itself. Eligibility criteria same as IIM Indore. You should be less than 20 years of age. If we talk about the eligibility scores, you need to be scoring 60% in your 12th standard if you are a general category, NC, OBC or an EWS candidate. If you belong to SC, ST or a PWD candidate, then you need to have at least 55% in your 12th grade. Talk about the selection process. You need to follow the eligibility criteria, point 1. Second, IPMET Rohtak exam, you should have appeared for it and followed by WAT and a personal interview. Here, if we talk about the specialization or the electives, you can opt for strategy management, you can opt for marketing, finance, OB, HR, operations are the subjects that you can opt for. Moving ahead, IIM Rohtak also offer you an exit option after first 3 years with a BBA degree. You need to minimum score 5 CGPA if you want to complete the course. Obviously, again, I don't have to say IIM brand matters a lot on your CV. No CAT for an MBA program, and faculty and placement are, it is not hidden from anyone with respect to the faculty members that you will be interacting with, the guest lectures, the guest faculties who will be coming on the campus and taking your lectures and interacting, networking. That is one of the key learning element when you go to IIM for doing your MBA. If we talk about NIRF ranking, it is 16 in India. Internship is there every year. You have to do internship every year. Batch profile is almost, it's exactly 50%. You have 50% of female and 50% of girl and a boy, male candidate. Average salary is 18.73 lakhs per annum. This is the first time the batch has passed out, and the average is 18.73 lakhs per annum. Moving on to IIM Ranchi, it started the program in 2021. That means the first batch of IPM has not yet passed out. Program offered is Integrated Program in Management. Degree is BBA plus MBA. It's a 5-year program. 120 seats IIM Ranchi has. You have an exit option after 3 years. Again, there is no sabbatical option here. Fees is approximately 5.16 lakh for the first 3 years. 5.16 lakhs per annum. And the last 2 years, the fees would be same as it would be for the PGP students. Entrance test required for IIM Ranchi is IPM Indore, IPMET Indore test. IIM Ranchi do not conduct its own entrance test. Eligibility criteria is you need to be less than 20 years of age. For a general category, NC, OBC, EWS category, you need to have scored 60% in your 12. For SC, ST, PWD, it should be at least 55%. IPMET Indore score and followed by a VAT and a PI is the selection process at IIM Ranchi. If we talk about specialization, majors and electives, so business analytics, information systems, operation management, accounting and finance, marketing management and strategy management are few of the major electives that you can opt at IIM Ranchi. Moving ahead, it goes without saying that IIM brand and the experienced faculty is the USP of IIM Ranchi IPM program. In the NIRF ranking, it is at 24th in the management category in India. Talking about internship, there is a rural internship and a social immersion that happen after the second year, and a business internship that happens after the fourth year. We talk about the average salary. The first IPM batch is not yet passed out, so there is no figure as such. But if I have to go with the average placement for the students who opt for an MBA in IIM Ranchi, it's around 17.3 lakhs per annum. Moving on to IIM Jammu IPM program, it started in 2021, which means the first batch of IIM Jammu is not yet passed out. The IPM batch is not yet passed out. The program offered is Integrated Program in Management. The degree offered is BBA plus MBA. It's a 5-year tenure program. 140 seats are there, more than IIM Ranchi for that matter. And you have an exit option after 3 years. Again, here you do not have a sabbatical option. If you talk about the fees, it's close to around 5.4 lakhs per annum for the first 3 years, and last 2 years it would be same as what it would be for the PGP students. Talk about the entrance test. You need to appear for a JIPMAT. JIPMAT is conducted by IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya together. The eligibility criteria is less than 20 years for general category, NCOBC and EWS student. The minimum percentage required in 12th standard is 60, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 55. Talk about the selection process. You clear the eligibility criteria, write the JIPMAT test, and then the selection is based on merit. There is no VAT or a PI after the entrance test. Moving ahead, it goes without saying the IIM brand and the experienced faculty is the USP of IIM Jammu. 41st ranked in the NIRF ranking for the management category. You have a social internship and corporate internship and a boot camp at Ladakh for a week. Average salary, again, it is not known for an IPM batch because the first IPM batch is yet to pass out. But if I have to give you the figure for students who are doing MBA, and the average salary is around 17.2 lakhs. If you talk about IIM Bodh Gaya IPM program, again the course started in 2021. The program name is Integrated Program in Management. Degree offered is BBA plus MBA. It's a 5-year program. The seats are 120. It has an exit option after 3 years. We talk about the fees. It's 4.9 lakhs for the per annum for the first 3 years, and the last 2 years the fees would be as good as what it would be for a PGP students. The entrance test is same as IIM Jammu, that is a JIPMAT test. You need to have a CGPA of 5.5 to complete a program, and must have less than or equal to 4 deficit credit points. So this is something unique at IIM Bodh Gaya. It is not written in any of the IIM IPM program. Eligibility criteria remains the same across all the IPM program, that is less than 20 years of age. For a general category, NCOBC, EWC, the minimum percentage required is 60% in class 12 and 55% for SC, SC and PWD candidates. Selection process, you write a JIPMAT test and you are shortlisted on the basis of the merit. Again, IIM brand and the experienced faculty is the key USP. It is 53rd in NIRF ranking. Social internship at the end of 2nd and 3rd year. They also have a business internship at the end of 4th year. Average salary is not known because the first batch of IPM has not started. But for the MBA student, the average salary is somewhere around 15.2 lakhs per annum is the average salary. Moving on to the next program, that is provided by IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kakinada. The program started in 2021. It offers an IPM program, slightly different degree, which is Bachelor's in Business Administration in Business Analytics. So it is not a regular BBA, it is BBA in Business Analytics followed by an MBA degree. It's a 5-year program. There are 60 seats. Yes, there is an exit option after 3 years. And we talk about the fees. For the first 3 years, it is 4 lakhs per annum. And for a PGP, it is as good as what the fees would be for the PGP student in that year. The entrance test required is IPMAT Indore. You need to be very careful about this. So IPMAT Indore is accepted by IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi and IIFT. Criteria to complete the course is based on the fulfillment of all the academic requirement as per the rules given, given by the IIFT Kakinada. For eligibility criteria for this year, you should have born on or after 1st August 2004. If you belong to SC, ST or PWD, then it should be plus 5 years. Okay, so probably you could have born till 1st August 1999. So next year it will be 2005, and then a year after it will be 2006. So it keeps on moving 1 year ahead. Basically, it's same thing, less than 20 years of age as on 1st August 2024. Eligibility score, you need to have scored 60% at least in your 12th board for a general NC-OBC and a OBC, for a general NC-OBC and EWS category student. For SC, ST, PWD and a transgender, you should have scored minimum 55% in your class 12th. Eligibility subject, you should have definitely taken mathematics or business mathematics in class 12 or plus 2 level, whatever it is. Moving ahead, selection process, 78% weightage is given to the entrance test, IPMET Indore test score, 2% for gender diversity, female gets 2 marks and male gets 0 marks. The remaining 20% is based on the 10th grade score. We talk about the NIRF ranking, it is 27th in the management category in India. It has summer internship at the end of 2nd and 3rd year and a business internship at the end of 4th year. The average salary is not yet disclosed because the first batch of IPM IIFT is not yet passed out. But if I have to talk about the average fees of average placement of IIFT overall for an MBA student is somewhere around 22 lakhs per annum. So that's it about IPM program at IIM and at IIFT. Now, if you want to enroll for a zero fee program of IMS, you can click on this QR code and you can enroll for a zero fee program, which will give you an access to the online portal for a period of 10 days. You can explore the various mock papers, the benchmarking test, the video solutions, the practice exercises, the topic level test, and various other Campus Insider and A to Z series, which will help you to gain knowledge about various colleges and various specialization. I am sure this video was helpful. Thank you so much.